Hey guys, it is July 22nd, 2025. This is One Hoof. And get ready to do a quick flight of my E-Flite Carbon Z Cessna 150T. It's the Airmasters RC Club in North Bend, Ohio. This grass is kind of thick. And let's see what time it is. It's coming up on about 10 after 8 right now. Sun's getting pretty low on the horizon. There's been a few deer over that way. Okay, yeah, there's still one there, but I doubt if you could see that with the GoPro camera. I want to move to a spot where maybe the trees are kind of blocking the sun. Get every advantage I can get.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Flew a few of my RC helicopters. There's been a lot of bugs today at the field, just swarming around. I don't know what they are. Now I guess I need to kind of try to,
2 minutes.
for some reason the nose is wanting to go up. I don't have the flaps down. Kind of do it like a real airplane pattern. I'm not comfortable doing it that way, so I'm going to turn the other way. Try to watch out for these birds. I haven't tried putting the flaps in yet. It's kind of weird that you can have like a weak side. Oh my god. Oh, I can't win.
3 minutes.
I can't win. That was a hard crash. I feel like giving up on RC airplanes because I crashed this plane into the trees at another RC field like Friday a week ago. It's just hard to break the helicopter habits. I'm flying too slow, and I was trying to pull it out, but I just ran out of altitude. I don't have any kind of safe or rescue or anything on this airplane. It looks pretty much straight, nose down. And yeah, there's some tall, looks like corn that they're growing now. But unlike the trees, there wasn't much to break the fall. It's not 90 degrees down, but I don't know. I mean, I'm sure it tore it up pretty good. At least knocked the landing gear off. I don't know. Well, I can't tell. I don't know. Did it survive a second crash? Let's pull it out, take it over to the bench and see. It's definitely going to have to go home and be looked at. I guess it was almost pulled out because it didn't just go straight nose in. Looks like it kind of survived. I don't know. No, something's not right. Oh yeah, it's missing a prop, of course. What else? Why is it leaning? Oh my god. Okay, the landing gear is kind of cockeyed. I don't hear the ESC doing anything. Oh. There's damage to that side because only one elevator's moving. The lights are knocked loose. Yeah, this one, it didn't escape unscathed this time, guys. Guess you only get so much luck. Okay, so that's just popped loose. That's an easy fix, I think. If we can get that. It's gonna be tricky to get that in there. Don't break it. Let's see. Okay, so the elevator's fixed. Alright, I see the problem with the ailerons, that wings pop loose. So it's unplugged. Oh god. This poor airplane. Hope it didn't strip. Oh, come on. Let it go up. Ah. You know, it sucks. I never even got to make one good landing. If it wasn't missing a prop, it would almost be possible to fly. Let's see if the motor's still good. Oh crud, I don't even think that's good. Ooh, it's smoking. Motor's fried. At least I had some good helicopter flights. This just sucks, man. I mean, I don't know. Maybe this is the wrong airplane. I had a buddy tell me that I should downgrade to like a smaller something timber, turbo timber, something like that. That's designed to be more of a trainer. I don't know. You know, it just kind of gives you a sick feeling in the pit of your stomach because this is my second airplane, and crazy thing was, man, my first airplane, I had it for a pretty good amount of time, and didn't have any major problems. Didn't always have the best landings, but I don't always have the best landings.